If you want to get free rewards in Star Pets using promo codes, I'll show you how to do it real quick. First, where do you find the codes? The best places are the official Star Pets Twitter, Instagram, or Discord pages. You can also sign up for their newsletter on their website to get codes straight to your email. Sometimes they drop codes during special events, live streams, or collaborations, so keep an eye out. Remember, these codes usually expire, so try to use them as soon as you get them. To redeem, open Roblox and launch Star Pets. Look for a redeem code button in the main menu or settings. When you click it, a box will pop up where you type the code. Be careful with capitalization because the codes are case sensitive. After you enter it, hit submit or redeem. If the code is good, you'll see a success message and the rewards will show up right away in your inventory. If it doesn't work, double check you spelled everything correctly and used the right capitalization. Also, make sure the code hasn't expired. Some codes may be limited to certain platforms or regions, so that could affect whether they work for you. If you still have issues, check the official Star Pets channels for announcements about any delays, changes, or technical issues that might affect redemption. One last tip, follow their socials, join their community groups, and turn on notifications so you never miss new code drops. Being part of the community also gives you early access to limited time codes, seasonal rewards, and special in-game events. Keeping up with these updates ensures you can always claim extra pets, coins, or other exclusive items that can help you progress faster and make the game even more fun.